Welcome. If you want to insert SD card to your GoPro Hero 9, for the first you have to rotate your device on the right side, and after that you have to open this part. After that, I recommend you to take off the battery. It will be much easier to input our SD card, so let's take it off. And now here we got the place when we have to input our SD card, and we have to put it like that with this trigger on the left side. So let's do this. And as you can see here it is. So right now we have to press it a little bit with our finger and then with the nail, and now it jumps in, so we can put the battery. Okay, then just close it like that, and we can turn on with this button our camera. Okay, it is not going to turn on. Okay, now it is working, and it starts record the video, but I'm gonna stop it. Okay, I don't know what is going on, so let's just turn it on one more time. Okay, and right now, as you can see, here we got our SD card insert. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.